What if I told you that you could own your own software company without coding, hiring developers, or even dropping 100K on building an app from scratch? Yeah, I know. Sounds too good to be true. Get rich quick scheme of 2000. But no, this is real. I'm actually going to show you how Go High Level's white label feature lets you rebrand an entire software as a service SaaS platform as your own software. You can charge anywhere from 97 to 97 or even 497 a month and keep 100% of the revenue. This is how people are making six figures or even seven figures with software without being a tech expert. And not again, like I can't tell you how much it costs to hire a software developer. And if we haven't met yet, thanks for being here. Thanks for coming across my YouTube channel. My name is Tisha Kennedy. I am a automation specialist, a systems integrator, and I've helped countless entrepreneurs ditch the trading time for money and actually launch an automated, scalable income stream using white label SaaS. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. I'm super excited. By the way, if you stick around, I'll even show you how to set it all up, how to create your own white label and use my guides and templates. All you have to do is sign up with my link below. More on that later. All right, so let's break it down. Why white label SaaS? It's such a game changer in 2025. You get to build a fully built software without coding and basically use high levels developers. They're all constantly updating it. Traditional SaaS businesses take years to develop and they require teams of developers, like I said. With Go High Level's white label, you skip straight to the fun part and sell it as your own. So if you decide that you're really good at sales, this probably will be good for you too, because you get your own branded software dashboard and it's all built in. Customer relationship management tool, funnel builder, email, SMS marketing, appointment scheduler, and much more. This has been my dream, all in one software and full automation tools. So your clients actually love it and they never cancel. Secondly, it's a subscription model, like predictable reoccurring revenue, like Netflix. You pay your Netflix bill every day. You pay your phone bill every day. Now you have the opportunity as a coach, as an agency, and service based business to stop trading time for money. White label SaaS equals reoccurring revenue every single month. Instead of making one sale one time, you're getting 97, 297, or even 497 a month per client. And there's no questions asked. Like literally, they can't cancel because they need the software because it's going to be helping them secure the bag. You help your clients make money, you make money, and then you help your team make money too. So imagine having 20 clients and they're all paying you $297 a month. That's nearly $6,000 a month in recurring revenue. There's not a big overhead and you're not even doing any client work. That's just for the software. They're just paying you for the software. I mean, it literally is a no-brainer. So how do you brand your Go High Level as your own software? Step one. So you actually turn Go High Level into your own software company. They allow you to do this. You're licensing it basically. There's a couple different plans. There is a $297 a month plan and a $497 a month plan. And what you're going to do with either one of those plans, there's only one big difference where you're the $497 plan, you're going to automatically be able to rebill them. Not a problem with the $297. If you're on a budget, you can still get started there. You don't have as many features, actually more features on the $497 than you can have, but with the $297, if you are strapped, you can start with the $297 a month. But it also lets you brand it with your own logo inside of Go High Level. You can upload your own logo, change out the colors. You can use custom domains to it. So I have my own software name too called Got Funnels, and it looks completely different. It's a totally different product. You put your own logo, you can change the colors. Step two, you're going to choose your own pricing model. Some agencies charge, they kind of use the same pricing that I just shared with you $97 a month for just certain features, just for the customer relationship management access. Or other people bundle it with other services. Or other people also add high-end businesses to sell it for a done for you packages. Like myself, I actually have a retainer and I include the software with my consulting, so you can charge anywhere from 2, 3, 5,000 a month. All right. It's more than the 497. But again, some people just charge for just the software, but some people charge like a bundle for other services and a done for you package. But again, you could even charge 297 or 497 without any of that consulting. Maybe you don't have experience in the marketing consulting part. You can just do it just for the software. Step 3, you can automate your client onboarding and support. With GoHighLevel, you can automate onboarding. You can have training videos for them. You can even have a client ticketing support. So it runs by itself with minimal effort. You can also hire another company, a third party that white labels their support for you. I actually have another video on that, and I can share that with you in the description below. If you have a desire to offer support 24/7, where people can talk to someone in the chat and not you, because you're in it to actually have a life, you can actually hire other companies provide 24/7 chat support, and they are all trained in GoHighLevel, and they provide the support for your clients for a very nominal fee. It's like having your own version of all those other platforms I talked about: ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, Calendly, but it's all branded as your own software. A lot of times I do to ask people, people ask me, like, oh, how do you feel just ethically? Like, I will tell them I white labeled it. It's another company. I'm just straight up with people, because most of my clients, they want to work with me anyways. They know that I'll take care of them, and they would rather play me than a whole conglomerate company. And so they don't care whether it's Got Funnels or it's ABC marketing media company, or software company, whatever the name is. They don't care. They just, want to support me and like working with me and my company. So again, separating yourself from the consultant and from the software and having them pay you month after month is a no-brainer. I just love it. So I'm going to talk to you about some real world examples. Some people are making money. And again, this, don't take my word for it. I just want to share with you some people who are crushing it with white label SaaS. There is a friend of mine who was a digital marketing agency owner. She started offering GoHighLevel under their own brand at $297 a month. And within 6 months, she had 50 clients. And now they're making over $15K per month in subscriptions. I had another consultant who was selling coaching sessions, but they started offering the software as well for $497 a month and bundled it with a couple of marketing automations. And now she's scaling without any more hours of work. Had a Facebook ads expert who's selling ad management, but he bundled it with GoHighLevel with his services. Now he increased client retention by 40%. So this is exactly what you can do. This is why I share with you inspiration stories, because you can do this too. All right. So if you're ready to launch your own software company without coding, tech headaches, or massive startup costs, then I got you covered. Click the link below this video. Grab a free trial of GoHighLevel. I highly recommend you just go with the 30-day trial with the $497 plan, the SaaS plan, and I'll send you my white label templates with the website and step-by-step instruction on how to set it up. And you'll also be included in our group where I have weekly coaching calls and much more. So I'm adding bonuses to it all the time. So the fastest way to build a 6-figure SaaS business right now in 2025 is here. This is it. So don't wait. Click below and let's get you started. Much love and aloha, and we'll see you on the next video.